Let's begin understanding a very important concept, and this concept is what is called as levels of teaching. Now, when we talk about levels of teaching, what is really important? This level of teaching help us to shape our behavior. Now, as a teacher, when I am giving you a lecture, what is my basic motive? Idea is to convey the thoughts and the information that I have to an extent that you are able to internalize it, and in future you can really apply those thoughts. Now this whole teaching process I can explain in three ways, and that would be the lesson for today: the memory level, the understanding level, and the reflective level. I take a very simple example. Now when I take this lecture, I get into the class, I simply say memorize the three levels of learning: memory, understanding, reflective. And this is what you have to remember. There would be a direct question which would be asked stating the three levels. You have to know those are memory, understanding, and reflective. Now, what kind of instruction it is? This is a way of teaching where I am actually explaining the information on a memory level. That simply memorize or rote learn what the information I have provided is. Correct? The second level is understanding. Now in this, I would explain that there are three levels. Now why is it important? The idea is there is a factual information which is all around us. Now when we acquire this factual information, I can actually relate those facts, I can apply those facts, and I can get an overall insight about a phenomenon. And that is a little thoughtful effort, and this is the second level, which is the understanding level. So that is how we would explain when we are talking about the second level. In the first level, which is the memory, it is thoughtless, simply learn the three steps that I said. Under understanding, I would convince the students, or I would actually express the idea that why it is important to learn, because only once you understand you can make someone else understand. If you would be a future teacher, then what would be your idea? Your idea would be to help understand other students the same concept. Now when that would come into action, that would come into action only once you have a deeper understanding. Otherwise you would go into the classroom and simply say there are three levels of teaching, and that's it. So we understand the second level. Now the most important is reflective. It is the upper thoughtful level. That means it implies introspection. What is introspection? Understanding oneself. So it's a kind of self-analysis. Now it is highly thoughtful. I can give a good example here is, I actually have this three level of understanding that I am taking a lecture today. But what would actually this signify? Will that make any change in the way you would be delivering the content when you would be a future teacher? So there, what my idea is to make you understand the concept in such a depth that you are well versed with the concept. Not only that, but you are also able to apply it to the real life scenarios. So application to the real life scenarios is really important and worth explaining. So under understanding level, it would be simply an insight. However, under reflective level, it would be an introspection. And that is what makes the complete difference between the three levels. Now, at each of these levels, we would talk about the focus, the syntax, the sources, and the ideas which have been propounded. So, memory level was laid down by Hebert, understanding level by Morrison, and reflective level by Hunt. We would talk about each of these levels and we would focus on each of these concepts one by one. But the sole idea throughout this lecture on understanding the levels of teaching would be to have a clear thought process, that is to face the problematic situation and how to deal with that in the next round, right? So